Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you around our 4-bed Gregory home, which is great if you're looking to upsize. So let's take a look inside. As you come into the home, you can see this is a really spacious hallway. This is great if you wanted to maybe put a coat hanger or even a shoe rack just to keep things nice and clean and out of the way. Plus, it makes greeting guests a lot easier because there's so much space. And if you follow me down the hallway, I'll take you into our first room, which is the family room. First impressions walking into this room, it feels really bright and airy, which is thanks to the floor-to-ceiling window at the front of the property. When it came to the design of this space, we opted for a flexible style of living, which includes a living area, but also a space to work from home. Personally, I really like the interior design incorporated in this room. From the textured wall panels to the contemporary art, as well as the neutral colours and bold tones, it really is a great space. Next, we move into the second room on this floor, which we've decided to convert into a downstairs bedroom. As you can see, this is a really generously sized room, and when it came to the interior design, we opted for coastal blues paired with silver tones, as well as pattern cushions and a textured feature wall. A great advantage to this space is the amount of storage it has to offer. This includes a floor-to-ceiling storage cupboard, as well as a large built-in wardrobe, which is great for keeping your room neat and tidy. Whilst we've decided to use this space as a downstairs bedroom, we appreciate it might not be to everyone's taste. It could easily be made into a home gym or perhaps even an art studio, whatever suits you best. Now we move into our separate utility room. This is a really useful space and is easily accessible. As this room is on the ground floor, it makes cleaning up after a long dog walk or a family day of activities with the children a lot more convenient. The last room on this floor is the handy downstairs bathroom, which features a shower. And if you're quite an active family, having a downstairs bathroom and utility room right next door to each other can really be beneficial to your lifestyle. We're now coming on to the next floor, where we have an open plan living diner which features French patio doors leading out into the garden. This is perfect for summer months, whether you're hosting a garden party or having a barbecue with the family. This space itself is very sociable and facilitates any kind of indoor gathering either with your family or your friends. Now we head into the kitchen, which benefits from an additional dining area. This is a great space to accommodate your family breakfast. When it comes to the style of the kitchen, we've opted for a grey shaker style with copper handles and white quartz worktops. But if this isn't to your taste, you can choose from our range of options and upgrade products to suit your style. And finally, my favourite feature to this room is the balcony, which you can open up to enjoy your morning coffee in the sunshine. Last room on this floor is a WC, which is a handy addition for hosting a dinner party. We've chosen to decorate this room with light blue tiling, which helps brighten up the space. This is another finishing touch you can switch up to match your interior preference. Finally, we step onto the top floor and make our way into the main bedroom. As you can see here, the interiors in this room have been decorated with earthy and rustic colours. One of my personal favourite features are the floating bedside tables and side lights we've added here. This room benefits from an ensuite with a large shower, giving you that added bit of luxury and privacy. As you'll see here, there is a large built-in wardrobe with storage that extends back into the wall. This is great for packing away your winter wardrobe as the seasons change. Now we have the family bathroom. This room feels really spacious thanks to the inclusion of the higher ceilings, and the added bonus is the fact there's both a bath and shower, allowing you to choose whichever you prefer to use. Moving on to the second bedroom on this floor, we've chosen to style this room as a guest bedroom. This includes a spacious mirrored built-in wardrobe, which is great for guests to use to store their luggage, also used as additional storage for the family. Whilst we've picked a blue and silver colour palette to brighten up the space, all interiors are changeable to your preference. And finally, we have the fourth and last bedroom in this home. We've designed this as a children's bedroom, but it's completely up to you how you choose to style it. Thanks for watching the house tour of our 4-bed Gregory home. To find out any more information on this home, check out the link in our description below.